Samahan niyo po ako sa aking video for today. Nakaka-proud talaga yung anak ko kasi she loves stew. She always asks mommy, mommy I want soup and rice. So yan na po, nagpunta kami sa church that day. So around 8 o'clock in the evening mga my guys, siya ng sabaw. Tapos siya na po, nagpunta kami sa health department. Chinek yung iron niya, very good, 13.3. So, it's really good iron. The low iron is 11 point down. That's low. So, yan na po. Nag-order po kami sa kanyang bed kasi malaki na sinaknak. So, yan na po yung bed niya. Nakaka-excited. At saka, she's so excited din. Yan na po yung bed niya. Grabe, yung mahal. Pero okay lang, nak. Kayanin ni daddy, mommy, at least basta naalang ka, nak. Naalang you always na bed among naknak, no? So, tapos nagpunta kami sa store. Yan na po siya. The training buggy of the kids. Na may ano dito mga may guys, training buggy. Naghahanap kami, nagkuha ako sa kanyang ayuda. Kasi may ayuda yan siya dito. May ano yan siya, may milk, may cheese. So, naghanap kami, andyan yung mga cheese. So, nagtingin ako, and she's very happy. Oh my guys, look at her. And look what mommy did. Nagawa na naman ako ng sabaw kasi gusto talaga yan sabaw. Yan po yung sabaw ng shrimp sabaw. Always mag-alternate ko, sabaw, shrimp, or fish. And then, another again, like bone of the beef. Yan po yung ginagawa ko kasi makaka-proud talaga kasi she really likes sabaw. So, guys, thank you so much for watching our video.